We are in Lambert's Bay. Sifikile, atata, sangena. Guys, I am so excited because we are here at the Bird Nature Reserve where you will find the Cape Garnet colony. You are with me, Opinion Nomela in Ntombi Yomzulu, of course from Beyond Africa Safari. Please explore this beautiful nature reserve with me. Let's take a look around.
Welcome to Lambert's Bay Bird Island Nature Reserve, a heaven for wildlife enthusiasts and nature lovers alike. Join us as we embark on a journey to discover the beauty and biodiversity of this remarkable coastal sanctuary. As you step into the reserve, you will immediately feel a sense of tranquility. The fresh sea breeze and the sound of the waves create a peaceful atmosphere that's perfect for reconnecting with nature. The Bird Island Nature Reserve is famed for its incredible bird populations. From Cape Garnets to African penguins, this is a bird's paradise. The specially designed bird watching hide offers a prime vantage point to observe these magnificent creatures up close. Bird Island Nature Reserve doesn't just offer a chance to witness wildlife, it's also dedicated to education and conservation. The center provides valuable insights into the delicate balance of this ecosystem and the steps being taken to ensure its preservation for generations to come. As the day draws to a close, there is nothing like watching the sunset at Lambert's Bay Bird Island Nature Reserve. It's a magical moment that reminds us of the beauty and wonder of the natural world. Lambert's Bay Bird Nature Reserve invites you to experience the harmony of land, sea, and sky. Whether you are dedicated, a bird watcher, an animal enthusiastic, or simply seeking a peaceful retreat, this reserve promises an unforgettable encounter with the marvels of nature.
Oh wow! Lendao ishaya umoya. In a peace, like it is so peaceful. Maulana and Jenga Goduga. I feel like I don't wanna go home. But you know what they say. All things, good things come to an end. So from me, Opinion Nombela from Beyond Africa Safaris, kuzofanele ngibuyele emuva ekhaya. But you saw us, we explored, we had fun, we saw the beautiful Cape Garnet and we saw the beautiful surroundings, the sea, the runway. I felt like I was a model for a minute there. And also there's an Isabella, a restaurant where you can stop by and have your lunch if you're feeling starving. And also at the same time, we saw the migration and habitats of these beautiful animals. So from me, your girl, if you like this experience, on the website below, hit us up. Beyond Africa Safaris, privatetours capetown.com. Until next time, adios.